Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, viewers. You can still with me, Almira Arta. I will be here to share today's headline with you. Today's top news comes from Bali.
Severe flooding struck several areas in Bali after days of intense rainfall. Many main roads were completely paralyzed and became impossible. Numerous buildings, including houses, shops, and public facilities, collapsed or were swept away by the water. The disaster also caused fatalities, with a total 18 people reported dead and thousands of residents forced to evacuate. The government has declared an emergency status, and rescue teams have been deployed for evacuation and search efforts.